Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY to December the 16th of this 25-day advent calendar from the Brew Company. Okay, so it's December the 16th and we are travelling to India to a 3.5 intensity out of 5 and a medium roast coffee. This has got raspberry, strawberry and vanillan taste notes with a low to medium acidity. So I'll be good with the acidity side of things. Fruitiness hasn't always been my favourite. So we went from the power coffee blend yesterday, which was 5 intensity with medium dark roast, which in the end I wasn't that keen on, I'll be honest with you. It was good to start with, but the more I had of it, I just didn't like the taste. So hopefully India will pick things back up for us today. It's from the Arabica region, from the Samft Max co-op or farm. So yeah, let's get grinding, let's get brewing and let's get tasting. Okie dokie, here we are with the coffee from India. Let's give this a go now. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. It is nice. It's got. I'll have another taste. I'm not getting raspberry or strawberry though at all. Maybe a little bit of the vanilla or vanillan taste, but it's nice. That is nice. It's top 4, maybe even scraping in top 3. There's like a little bit of fruitiness up front, and it goes quite quickly. And you get the aftertaste is kind of almost like a vanilla kind of taste, but after. But that is nice. I would drink that. I will enjoy this one. It's got better taste than the Powerhouse coffee or the Power Coffee blend from yesterday. It's nice. It's lovely. It's really nice. Okay, all done and dusted now for December the 16th. India. So we travelled to India. Had this really nice coffee from the Arabica region, which has got more over the years has become a more prevalent place for coffee bean production. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Links will be below in the description for discount codes to the coffee, so this coffee, the calendar, and all coffees in the Brew Company. Hit that link if you want to get a discount. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along for more Brew Company coffees and other DIY projects, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.